testing. Right here. You guys want to get ready? Stay here. You don't want to get ready, so stay here. Okay? Kuala Lumpur, make some noise! A 2-day celebration, ladies and gentlemen. 20th April, 1st of May, 2nd of May. It's the Water, Rave, Music Festival 2026. You guys want to stay away? Stay in the front. No, you guys can see this, but you don't want to do this. Okay? So everybody, work together.